October 14 September Royal Gardens Nandoni. Come on. Mateki kave koruka mwezi wa budi wa basho kanote ridotangana Royal Gardens Karierote. Aha. #ahuna usara.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Diaries.
Yes.
Hey, mafungo. Ndikaro Tom. Utonga uno Tom. Ndikaro Tom ati. Mafungo teraru kamba ama vampire out here batun.
At least I remember mazina watu.
Yeah, so grade wana mazina abo.
Oh yeah, there's that.
Yeah.
There's that.
And it's not like ndingo because I wanna remember.
Oh yeah, asingo is
Exactly.
doesn't exist really. No, me zaru.
Ati radhirumira record there panda.
Oh.
Inini right before nchirumira sabato.
Yeah, right bad.
What are the song?
I'm just hungry. Don't want this. Don't want this one. I'm seeing la ungana.
Nani guy?
And the coffee. So.
Midrande.
Nah, it's not giving anymore. It was not nice.
Maybe when it was just vibes.
On a black motion matter. The black motion, and that's the thing.
If you're black motion,
or they just made a song together. I don't think Bobby Rana because it was just Tabo and the guy.
And speaking of that, Bobby Rana, Nati, I've always said this thing. What if in the end I saw the Muimbichi? That is umra before. Now with a case paso. Now please come on pange vese katrekanga. Apanga zaba rice. Zaba right. Ndasendera aka. That come on pange vese. That's gonna be sorry mbovo feature. How the time hello it. I always said that thought.
What how do you mean?
Of Kingsley featuring AKA and Casper.
Mara, don't you have the right to know before you Tina mzi nichisenderiwa nichisenda vesi yananzu kutusendera number rabani adofu narufa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking. So anyways.
Yeah, ni ndio dozo ni umbra na guma somewhere. That's what I'm here.
Yeah. Anyways, welcome to the Diaries again, guys. So yeah, and I'm saying since last week. So and I'm Robbie Angachping at least. Oh, and I wanted to ask you, T. Uri, I know Uri, I should, T. But am I compelled to like ask for forgiveness? Hey guys, I don't drop. I mean.
I think you are.
So that's the reason.
Not the reason per se. Why didn't you buy it? Not the reason per se, but like still need to.
Mafora ako tumorita.
Teacher knows ndo pora zwino.
Anja no mafora. Don't do feel.
It's mission man. Inyambora we. Yo.
Yeah, no go there.
I feel like Ritio amba still, you know, even if we see Riza comparison ngori ngasperizin all the time. Of which unfortunately today or unfortunately tomorrow we're not going to drop.
Of which I did it. Mara here's what happened. See? Still until video for Friday obviously 12.
Yeah.
And then I knew okay 12 the better. Let's make it 1 or 2 latest. And everything was uploaded so nice. And the video process, people who have YouTube know. You also have YouTube.
Yeah.
Probably a part of your process. I okay in zero. Sometimes about YouTube, I was like, okay, I can process me. I'm like, okay, don't it and the church go to web. Don't upload the videos. It's got 4. Those go and don't it and do it.
I wonder what was going on.
It's fine, Mara. I'm busy right now on Instagram. Okay, do wanna delay so. Mutuko daka DM. Go say man, hey, once I'm busy run drop. Hey, me. And then that do and develop the fee. Hey, what Tomotonga, and I was like, it's fine, and drop more because that's that opinion. Although I wonder, you know, if you drop.
Mara, that's the thing, the public figure. Like, people feel entitled to your business.
That word.
So,
I was like, it's fine, guys. What about the once I could drop?
Okay, Jifanana Muzi, artist, you got your drop album, Friday, Rotary, you know when you. Goosebumps.
Then I started dropping a spring.
Is a V, had you amber, one amber, right?
Ambi.
Damn, Goosebumps.
I'm on the Goosebumps about the podcast.
Because I feel like you owe people that.
Yeah, I feel like that's also the same feeling with me. Ori, I should like ask for forgiveness. Ori, guys, sorry. Or when a technical glitch, that is fine. Marino tomo dakana tomo semana. Once a quit and tomorrow. Narrative to drop it. I'm like,
I think the name comment your raro. Ask YouTube. I on YouTube can TikTok.
Should be TikTok because TikTok got till and your dropper. I was a quit at it.
Don't want to or guys over or Happy Father's Day. It's a sign. You could drop a Sunday. To be more. You comment your raro. That's what people do. That's the comment.
And here's the thing, you know, many frustrated with us with Chimbira. In I'm like that in the video.
It's not a good thing, Mara. I think what we're all bangas to for when people are still gonna do that to you.
To us, when we to you.
Oh, you many kings in some bangan. Sanampanga public figure.
And public figure guy.
So we have an Amtron of Fongardium Koroda case.
Okay, so I got the back in there as well.
No, it's okay. But I don't know any of Vanamsi. I in the fee and go through breakup. I'm not there yet to end at your end of Zabatur. Oh, yeah, guys. Unfortunately, I want a paragraph. Hey, my team gonna be with me.
Exactly. It was one of the Muso.
No, don't want to chandor. I don't know.
Now, often I want to keep his high episode. You're through to a Wambora, Lijacket, La Peña.
Parashina from what you're with that. At least no Zango. At least no Zabatungo, guys. So, keeping a changing each one, I corrected differently. To udinera piece, so he's not.
It's the Janaga can't car pepper.
Tinia Paul Sharner Cofape. Japan. It's a manga weather. You couldn't relax some of it. Relax and on the Thomas.
Unless if this a diary, then maybe are this that as Charlotte, Maru already assume or any night. So Richiko joke and gazo, what if I want to move to studio and I got I was deal.
I don't know who right.
So come Mdaza say studio chambers or so. Hey, you know, for Magina, the first say.
Magina, no, it's okay. It's a safe space. It's a safe space, Magina.
And Ara Magina, Nayo, as ever, so fair.
Hey, Nayo,
you're there.
You're dingy. But I think, you know, isn't it funny how growing up you made your OP sister? Like, it wouldn't be a topic we would laugh about.
Oh, I'm a zone.
And then you know, your OP sister.
The opera, I told you.
Seriously? No, one of Shigiri.
Shigiri?
Yeah, you're Shigiri. Do your time, Mamma. I bet I go on Shengeza and the tea, and you borrow me. No, you want any order a G as Shigiri. You're the deadest who the Opumura. And they come over and it was.
Come as an vitamin.
Then it's in a part.
I know it.
Yeah,
I know recover to can affect me. Come as an vitamin, Shigiri.
I want to know the relax. Vibes. Vibes.
It me.
And then it did Baba.
Oh, Venda point that the sugar mama. The tomane for
sugar mama. Oh damn, yeah, it makes sense.
Nidivani. Nikomla energy. Nikomla ngabeze. Why don't you? Anyways, guys, we're coming at you live from Panda Studios. Oh, you happy one? I am from Raw.
Fancy. Abba, why is that way? Do like to chose?
Just these are. It's for vibes.
Oh, Achishumiji.
Chingangi chapo.
Chashuma. Fuck you.
And what you
That's the one that I want.
And that's one another person.
Man, fuck you. Only you know I'm bachiga. Who put them? You say a lot of
they're going to switch my begging when I press our supposed to see you. That's no press I mean. So yes, I was saying, guys, if you wanna contact Panda Studios to use their studios, go on the petrol animals.
Yeah.
The vibes, the
proper
serious
stuff.
Wait on a warning, Lamba.
So cute, just in case, yeah.
Yeah.
That first condemn.
So if you wanna contact them, 38 Mele Street, and then you contact them on 010. Top. What is 08 mean? 010. 010 023 2939. or info@pandastudios.com. pandastudios.com. Ntabe yari info at but when I've been email. When I apply mishumo mingana. Who's go fee? Not only info. I anga bena reply. Info ndela nti ine ishikela reception.
Ula mtu reception.
Manager wona ayiboni noyibona. Utopfa unchiri ndo senda ntu CV man.
Wonotholiwa mtu ondothathiwa
Mararu ka position yami. Obuzofinisa nento nasenda ka info. So yeah man. Yo. And then speaking of that, uri kunyaga mtu receptionist Rojamba last week.
What qualifications is he looking for?
Kunyaga qualification? Just to remain around Bramu. And then also, obviously, as the vessel we're talking about the Panda Studio.
More.
Okay, newspaper.
Ambe watu dango gidi ma uko apply hapa.
So yeah, uko nyaka
mtwana. Kwa pesa chiboro shumero dam shumuni.
It's a ndezo zinago shaba also. Come try na so Bramu divine. So I feel so kudzura ne para no Bramu bro. Once nyago bani hon we go shoot a blackout. That's another thing that you get to experience. Yeah, asivanje bonodozikona. Koyu ufana mtara na studio jadifa koyu voto wana show first end koyu mwambara na chikipa
mungo koyu ufana na mtara na podcast koyu amdzura kasofa adodzurarin.
So yeah ukunyaga mtana all rounder so the receptionist afu ko pai kwa vondo di paka pala na pala so ngoto da uno di udzura chidura cha.
So it's a 9 to 5.
I don't know pano
because abepa no shumwana usiku. So what type of
so 5 achaba usiku 9 to 9 probably. Yeah, ngazwa pano zvendo mara ndo tuwara ngochaisa.
Memoruti wakolibu uyo wazvakuma.
Ndiwo.
Oh, great. Okay guys, so what did and what those send CV hapo?
CV ndenela umena ni mrawo ni yekela email. Ngiri info@pandastudios.com.
Yes,
yeah,
guys.
So remember last week we spoke of Royal Gardens?
Yes.
Zvino ndamzarandi ndo wamprofita ini. Tazindori mudhoropa nga Saturday.
Yeah, that was bad.
Amara people know it.
Yeah,
so
no problem.
I was going through that. I did usually learn to learn upon it. Mara also okay, muzeni do the performance and post the Facebook because I saw a lot of guys was go post the Facebook or hey.
No na rude kid.
Yeah, let me get the names of those people. Na slender girl.
Okay.
Mujolo ndi scam, you know it.
Yeah, I know.
So when goes no,
I'm at the Rimbra. Don't chenda chibona ka Facebook yacho. She is like dope videos there.
What do you mean dope videos?
Like zamza korep. At the nyimbo za woman.
Yeah, there's a slender girl post about it. Asati did GR player, your replica, and Ramzi Ramarata. What? Isn't he your replica? No, but I'm Ramangrasi nyana but already one. Was ones already. I was the bedwa. But nishitopedza ubona hapo wafamba Ramangrasi nieka video yantu ya GR player. Motoshota nga durege mamfana.
Achamvula. Tipinga beyu.
Nilike guru la koro.
The fuck.
And then also there's Mizo Feel for the People.
Okay.
Do you think he's gonna come?
Mizo?
Opposed Tangazo.
Maybe he will. I don't know, but
I wonder or and then there's RKV, like you said, there's Prefix, Racha, and Guzba. So here's the thing. Remember last week, Rambo, who would you wish to be there? Ramba to what? I'm I want if those capable boys. What do you think now? I want to contact you. Can I want to go pupa mrumba which quite the good news at oh,
I remember we are going capable boys back to the Vasivizi still. So I don't think so. Maybe ungabona mapungo, don't you think?
Inini mngana fistos or meaning us. Wangwachi post.
I don't know was no poster. I didn't ask him.
Speaking of Udzima Mapungo, why in some mid auto yovara?
Why not would you know?
Ngori ndi scoop cha Venda.
Really?
Brad Magras, what talk you want? Brad Magras, not anymore. Come on, Brad Magras.
And they lost.
And it was not making sense why you kept on calling more. Hey, shoot at Innosoul. Because Innosoul, remember, he's been against those guys from day one.
Was he?
He's been. When we even spoke about it the previous episodes. I
just think they were competitors, but it's not that deep.
Hey, Mara, you're not going to go and praise your competitors.
Oh, yeah, you're Vada, but not.
Why?
I think Obana Mapungwa with Tiba Bakorenta that space. Something about the owner Nabo. but it's aingovhara ngosava na custom. That's why I didn't think it was scope because
What
it's not.
customers are
Because
good.
aingovhara ngosa va busy.
Now I'm asking about customers are good kana za club ninge pasi.
That's why ndikura aingovhara ngori house na custom. So I
Za
don't know
good
if
that's
ndikutodori ndipindure.
Did they ever sell any car there?
Yeah, they do.
Did they ever sell?
Yeah, a lot.
Nogumona guri nandichiya. Chingate ndichipira.
Mara nichipira ni wanaona ndiyina. No. So zila dzimwe dziva dzotoregaga dzotopakwa
No,
yani.
uzura una nna. Uzimezura azikoita ntu.
No, but
Zoro
they're different.
Shopo la vara.
Huh? No, dzotomuva, votomuva.
Oh, where guy?
I think Omuva dealership club I don't wanna pay to. That's what I heard.
Oh, dealership ya guy. Na izla good
I think it's
dealership.
insurance. I'm not sure.
I'm sure
guys.
which is
Because
la good.
I had to confirm Mario. To ibona
Phone are confirm.
Don't you know anyone? Ati dibi muntu funa infestos kamusi.
You go phone in.
Ati ba dibi na lot.
So phone as dollar chiping. Ini ndina kuti to ambeso. Yesu ni asdiba.
Mara ndo Phophi iko move mara ati to ubona petu.
Mara is that why ino sola konyago akuskore ndiko dali nika podcast.
Nati dibi ino kunyago ambori mini.
Like it's definitely that.
You think so? Angatobvaya nekudombora mitotovhara bezvo azviji 5 seconds achipedza kugodovhara show.
Nini yatamba ma udoditoma vevisa ingwana ndoita after party at Royal Garden, no activation party at Royal Gardens last year, and then ndaita fume ndikara ndikoita zvanga mukukuni so zvikochimbira mumwe adarenga space aviyavhara then ndisatotuwa. You see, there's a lot to say.
I guess Mara give him the platform, man. If he's got stuff to say, let him come. When is he coming?
Sooner than later. He's definitely coming.
Give him a spot.
Yes,
no, ukadivana lutro kudari.
Oh, lutro kala blogin. No more the kala blogin. Ufinyela mzano kuchita Kanyisa, yeah.
Mara Lutro has to come. Lutro, you know Lutro.
I tried getting him. And then I'm going to do what?
Come on, so I'm going to Bushir.
Obvious. Actually done to the Panda Bushir. Kataro.
Yes. So
no chimba.
You know.
That was the reason I wanted to call him.
Yes, she was what she got her head there.
Then
like the transition from remember Lutro was Lutro before. He did like a lot. So I think he would.
It's an all round.
Oh, actually, dange no achi boshuma na kanisa aba kushuma pano.
You do kushuma pano. Namu kanisa kuti umurengera flat brown.
Umurengera. That's a big word.
Here's the thing. I want 10,000 for the feature.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
And that's it.
Yeah.
Vapacha do wana.
Orengeros kipacha makipu. What else would you
And
want?
I actually saw on Facebook our poster of Visa, his family. I think we spelled something. It was really nice. It was good to see.
Or 10,000 negotium.
I don't know. Come 10,000, even if it was less. But just the fact that with families, nika industry the so. I'm sure I want to so it's a good thing. Hey, it's a good thing when he has to do stuff, when he has to pay for stuff. I think I don't know, it looked nice to me. No one of his family or youth. So yeah, I'm just hoping that feature brings him more features. I hope I'm a black
hopefully.
Because Lutro is good. Let me not lie.
Maybe Dotua through Limek. Yeah, Lutro blind.
Oh, yes,
Limek. Through Limek with Dotu. So, back to Royal Gardens. I wanted to ask you, we spoke of people who want to see at Royal Gardens.
Yeah.
Who are the people that you wouldn't wish for them to be there? Kana na oba you wouldn't have a problem.
Oh, definitely the national ones. Kaba Venda, hauna mtu enda fungari na wasi there. Hauna. Ndinyi, inini kumulai?
Venda na nyenda kumumula. Ane na wasa yani asiwe na problem. I don't know. It's just funny how ucho this our tukanava age group yashu. Arufashina wako bet wako kakati igenge izvikara zvezvi zvadzembedza
mwenda. Wako bet mara ubadzurabo haone, right? Nabo kakati nabo nyenya.
Kakati hai tutonga hai.
Una kakati na mwe mutu mwendi? Oops, no yagore zozo ndi wa Venda.
Uwa wera Venda. Ono mana citizenship, I think.
Oh, ni Venda. Oh.
Yeah, so it's fine. Also, people have been asking if at one podcast dash what happened to the other segment ya Royal Gardens, ya gospel, ya chite the night before.
The night before. Oh, sure. Last year
ngaba.
Oh, that's weird. Hey, and it used to get pegged. That is the only Royal Gardens I've attended.
Yantu Antwas ndaidza nomala?
No. Royal Gospel Feds. That was 20 something years ago.
But rakamera ticket. Mr. MC rakamera ticket vari wanele kutafura. Ndodaramba antu. Darukamba suzwa the feds ngaintu. na zvivi zvineva radodizvivona mari uri songo tojavo side. So anyways, that's just it.
And you know emphasize tikiti hani tinamba onorina
tafura bani patafura anchanya kana tikiti usikoni pachibhande chila chino
online ni wotakura kula box.
And then did you hear the
nanda for music earphone nduni.
You listen to the Capable Boys EP?
I haven't. But no poster. Oh, I haven't given it time. I'll do that.
Shame chamunga wo.
Proper.
Basebenzile abafana.
Basebenzile abafana. Inhliziyo yami icishe yama.
Hayiland tuthi. Andreni yakho wrong ayo thi.
Yeah.
Nanyimbo mbili phezi neto ngathi tutodzipfa that much. I think the Ingozi na Rekere. The rest has go away.
Oriyanira na Gusbar ni raruchi wako tenda clip ndirupi.
Uyatengisa. Ufukweda
lifi mineli ya lori.
Ukweda bindu ngantu ngamubili.
The 5,000.
Are ya fuck
nyama.
Mini?
Ndari ya fuck nyama.
Ndio neyo.
Lufi mini hapo. Ndiko yango tu.
Uyatengisa.
Lufi uyatengisa.
Uyatengisa. Ufukurengisa. Ufukweda bindu ngamubili.
Intoxic wewe.
Honey.
So I
was also thinking of how funny it is Uri Gusba cut this feature ti. Dangerous. Man, your album you like I committed justice. Like I keep comparing every feature he has.
Una racha album.
Hey, JR Odova.
Una JR.
Not Kaya Gusba. Kaya Capable. There's JR, there's
come area menga ya Gusba. Una racha.
Hey, ukashita liba.
And then una Gusba.
Ndiawe.
No man. Nindandala guys. Who's Gusba? Ndori rachana JR one.
JR.
They don't get along, ne?
I don't think anymore. Tranga wamo the voice zitu nyana. Ezi podcast.
Because I think
yazo watachiri podcast ya wisa the branded zabo. Now it makes sense.
Can either break you or make you. Do really.
Amara, let's make JR guys. JR is good.
JR is good.
JR is good. Yo. If we never ila JR ndile gada la koro. That's anda kuri nimkegulu koro. Nimkegulu la koro. JR zamu kubola mgana. Oh, and then the thing ya vuwa yori ni EPH tokofera.
Yeah, EPH tokofera imi ya Capable. Why? Ngorida matwanji.
Yo dala. Ado fiba kutuanga texting titi. Bangwa dosa around ya perfume. Marane,
I think like ajinam shumo, you know. Look at how Mahua has so many people and look at how good it is. You know? I don't think it matters urubena watu waviri wale mo baiten. Okay, nabani waviri nala mo. Is it a good song? Okay, ni waviri sharp in a song. Mara, is it a good song? No, it's not. So, I don't think it matters. I think definitely make out come at the same thing. Spreading humors. Asili make.
That thing doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all.
What do you mean?
Zorima put it on dancing and then he has to be part of the song.
I
was like, the guy's been using these keys for real. Like, what Bika, I think what be producing the guitar, and then there's like vocalist.
Mara, can we agree to disagree or lately what makes a song is the challenge?
Mara. Exactly, you don't have to be.
Then who the one I mean?
No, here's the thing. The content creators are making moves. The DC can't. Have you ever seen Rainbow featuring Scrum Shasi?
Mara, Hannah influence.
She has the biggest influence. You're on social media. On social media, you know.
Y'all not taking it too far.
No, social media, my person is nothing. Kabalabana, sounds like there's no way Uri. Uko daita. Ela dance to ifezi. I'm the one who carry him. Probably they're not going to 50% carry him even. Panjim diva.
I'm going to go to
Nah. Oh, they're not dancing. Madama Purisa is big, so dance away a coaster.
Nenda kwa amba uri like ndiyo rekumbe lakini lantuntie right anga rekumba nga iOS na Willis. Uri sometimes you build a brand to, so okay, it's just so umela kori you see the thing like hosting. Karija's was a club host. But then now niyawana alishia obaderu ofi or show up. Not running up for it. Why?
But then that's how entitlement come about. Like
we entitled Nori.
So the content creator does this okay because I made a challenge out of your song.
Nane kandi pangiwe. Hello. Hey, Fistos in live riko shoot ati. Rarko agiwangela zama polisi zori he did nothing on the song except for the dance challenge. So then you go sorry, we come a Juan and I drop the wood. There's so many of you guys, and I don't think no Schumann or whatever. Okay, capable your time,
remember Harimbo, the G.
Hey, not the G.
Yeah, so Zutus know how to write the Harimbos Yakamban.
Hey.
Number one can be just a name, which means the name might be the pushing factor of the song. Number two, okay, the Narimbo Koruna Pokwimbo Mahua what. But now, what do I do with the song? Okay, take the song, give it to JR, Bangina Rachakil. The next person can be sent the beats, reaching use. So that's how songs are made.
In I mean, kama huwa mara.
Come in.
Chanda kama huwa ndi chipio pala. Tungwanda chipa.
The mine was, what's this? To second JR thing, to put on, not JR, man, Racha.
Neta mean?
Rubangwe Racha.
We're not phone Racha. Oh, eh.
So what he was saying is, I think he was working on something or whatever. He's not too sure, so I'm like, Pangani, Reeve, at least in the one in my. So after that, Racha did what she did, sent it back. The G was happy. Zingwa was angry with what that's a conversation between the G and Capable. I don't know.
Okay. Uba Black or meaning can't snaps and this.
I think a producer, how many? In any Monganila, but no producer in Monganava.
Cut off our phone, any Nuba.
Yeah, I number
11.
Oh. No, you was 11.
Capable of I mean in go producers 11.
I don't know Rotangan is in Yimbo.
When we tangan and beating at 11 that are 13.
No, don't idea.
Uba, calm, that's not sure I'm not wrong.
Sure.
But okay, the way that you but
eh, hello, Drew. Rare studio Lumbua. Apa Pimaola.
Oh, Dana studio.
Umvesa. Siada unena waluzina Jiara. Na Lutro.
Oh, eh.
Duale recobila di la tremalbo medio.
Eh.
Yeah, lo sono scomada. Orbu pezela treke. Recorda writer bitia eskorokoro. Jiara panga vese.
Okay, kabiti ya chikoro fisto zoita mini ngoro ngwa pala.
Nezuru 6 anos TV.
You know, como drop off.
You know, is in studio. Zamanho is in studio. Ah, sharp, da mani kito da zawudi.
Como drop off. Sorry,
o bar da mani da no studio.
Sorry.
Till today you don't understand who we
Ah, ringa kan deep understanding rose pesa zino. Rodi bonga manda. Zamburu nani kwenye kupanga.
Zina ngozi banori na zwa dance is possible depending on who you are.
Yeah, asko make sense.
These things depend on who you are.
Nani anya ngidi ni drop off SABC.
Ndio yeta.
I want to podcast SABC. Sio fina tango wewe. Like yo. Okay. Somebody talented Madua Nduduma.
Yeah, don't you think? Just need to build your brand, man. Not necessarily Uduma. Build your brand. Build your brand. If your brand is Saula when I'm interview OnlyFans, if your brand is OnlyFans, because you're not scared of being naked. If your brand is what like build your brand.
I'm going to be naked. Lanjari ndeta mina ngontiwa naked, remember?
Wait a minute. That's what I'm saying. Uri, mnara ndiko tiyo ringsa lingerie, ndichuko toda the model. I'm not gonna come to mkona.
Yamujiji tola. I thought.
Ngudivra.
Ngorota.
Ubade bwenga ngwezi valo vetu subscription. Ashuko diwa noru ibrash mwede.
Tiyo matoto amala washo.
I'm judge. It's a safe space.
No, I think the chums I 17. I want to hide. I want only fans up. So, hey, anyways, I saw this other thing. Is it Twitter ka X one. So I want to hear your view on it. Okay. Why do some people get it so easy in life despite praying less or not even attending anything church related? While others pray every day but then get no results. Hey, napolo natumwa no blame wa. I think it comes back to, remember we once spoke about this episode of Toma when I was like, I believe praying is just like venting to God. Praying, I think we pray because He's our higher power. Mararias dibori arenda rabelo rendi pass arenza kutiyo pasa this year tinga do pass. Don't you think? I feel like already there's a script. I feel like there's a script written. And it can't change. That is why dwalan lord over. Nishingadwa namze no dzula panda so I feel like already nandira ine to shakoti ite yangayo mara we just need to pray anyway because it makes us feel better. Zitonga abantu bane bajena kereke dzine wambaru watambo and they believe in it. Dwalene na vanoivhura nipfungari your day is not going well because it's in the head. It's what you believe in. It's how your faith works. So I think when we pray okay, I'm praying for a job, then every day for God is working on it. It just gives me hope. It doesn't mean it's gonna happen like that. So whenever I scripture they're gonna be millionaires by 25. And kana atrova daba so konwa are lotro kana irafu do you want. Rafu dino idano no vundekana.
Kuna vangu vaniko ba wana waitwa na kutsimbi ubiri kamurenje mara wana rafu.
Mtu sibe koi wana.
I don't know. Who baisana zwani?
No,
una percent nitio baisana a certain percentage of your body. Is it your nitio vanopangiwa.
If no rariso ndichambanga mulomo. Nda baisara mulomo ngondishimanga podcast. So they can say ndachinga
vunde arimi. Oh, vunde shichira na rambo damn. Mushama kwadam arimi last week. But really, there was report to this guy is a liar.
I'm very sensitive. Sensitive.
Sorry, Baba.
Marasi neridi ndi wafa.
Hindi no describe no mirwa shijwa amona mini that didn't know. Then I don't know. Then that's sad if that's the story. That's what I said.
Nah, to describe and. Anyways, arpir man. And then I got remembering. Also, when I school no right, so there are those people when every Friday they would go party, they come back drunk or kuma, but they tell you know something party on the street. That's gonna 49, and I be on 98.
Zibana kamumbro ya beiwe.
I was like, wani mumbro kujina gaya.
No, zib are IQ ya niji nito doba 7 days and after that 2 days.
Oh, so je make sense.
Nenda ndichi vesa like university I used to go out a lot. Ndichi una bango maenda jana bo class ni bane. Yani balangori nditefa odarisani babatsikereke badzizete basvikete na dzibecho basabvi. Mara unichipa wana bobva kabambiri la sapo
ndendisongopa.
Auchimwaliwa kala utefu. Ndio wanaona mbatedziwa sometimes uri okay no one sapo even sio jambo comes no feira kana no feira so I think zvibva mumbulo nindiro didiba ini munhu.
Is it true tefu unantu una crash ngomo? I saw this other thing on TikTok which go feel
yotovhura zvinhu kamusenero nobva
probably which go feel
zvingava possible ngona univheni nayo maybe
this is the best rest to stay in yatendero dzura na mwana wamo then watwa kusori inisha class ni mwana uya guy
afuna crashing ngomo
pira apira sompa chichuwa ndi studio cha munna wawe chi
angadiri tatara
apira
kana daji ya mic
kawo follow so fina kono ne someone a daycare and then they're like, oh, okay, it must be nice.
Una resenya tendero zona mwana tevo.
Ana crash. Originally ni mara.
Mara yado ibone kupatiwa. Tefu zvialenga kupatiwa zvitweni. Yado ibone.
Khara kushimza mobile container.
Tefu zvialenga ushumi wawe na mobile. Ila building yamzinje nanga gate 1 yeche yovojomela. Ene achia.
Yovojomela.
before
Definitely.
Ashko Jenna, on your left there was a building. It was a beautiful atrium. You have voje tanga or something. Then we ended up Jenna, we ended up pay you have voje. Uro fix a tanga the 3 years.
Hey, how was it written? So, anyways, I just wanted to know about
what do you think? Because you didn't give me your opinion on that.
No, this is
People
okay.
that pray.
Niche but also I had this question. Whether you pray or what, there's a script for you. Video. So is that you're trying to say, no matter how you pray, how much you pray, I don't know if you've done to change. I mean, say if it comes much of one child. At the Ramran go to Umbera cage, you know, go eat a cage, Mama Chero. Go to India, promise a cage never. Do you think that doesn't happen?
I don't think it does. That's not possible. That is why I'm profita Ashkona uri vari bakono bona rufu. But there's nothing they can do as well. It doesn't matter how big of a pastor you are. If unafusuni mudzimbako that she there.
Bushiri chiva chabra ya mutu.
Chiva chabra ya mutu. In what way?
Just that arunguzi neshi diwati. Chori when I'm to know ni chiva mini wini nora no yakabushiri kana lusho rali. Mafuko imapanda kire ya I mean. Findiko ni shera ya no intino ile kato. Ezundiko ni ish kotomo ile rafa kama to. Ola mtuko phone about. Not catch up bushiri. Which is possible because remember waru ina mana profit wango pambana. Just that muitas are good, muitas are bad. That's the thing. So I'm like, okay.
Mara going back to uri like now mbera mzimu lisongorwa na musi. Then it wasn't your day. If it doesn't happen, it wasn't supposed to happen. Because I feel like God is that powerful to a point that abanga doya changes it because of how you want it. Because ngondi uri ini araruko nikotio. Okay, let's use a simple thing. If you were supposed to come to the studio and then you run late a bit and then some things which you delay, like your delay is always working for somebody else. Like I don't know, but we're all interconnected. Like somehow, and when you see that person was supposed to look at you and then you remind them of someone. Or I don't know, but I just feel like that's how things work. Things are happening exactly how they're supposed to happen.
But then if you're saying God is that powerful, the system. Then why aren't you saying God is too powerful to change the things in a like in the
Mara akaki. So why you come changes?
I got to engage the chiping and go
because
and the atomo changes like let me give extra days. I mean,
that's what you're forgetting.
I wonder what mean.
Those are my kids. Because we are preaching the gospel. Hallelujah.
120 years you cheater.
Man, I'm saying 120. Now I'm good. 120 the 10 guy. And even though I bet you literally a toddler. I can't do anything.
Stop recording. Ndela zera verambu. Na shike guru zine. Ngo shike guru cha 30 years.
What about 30 to make guru?
Who's 30?
My 90s in English. And then I get if you look at it.
No, shike guru za my 70s. Niyazo I'm trying to have 70. Adamu afuna sin na babi wasubote so ningati stenori uyu ngona configuration apparently she's over 50
ndobona ingwe tweet ninkumbuzi ya configuration
so there's configuration at the somo mtani wana say 30 yezo nankam ningano ri configuration ulingana uyo utonga ndena ne abana 30 whole out ndena ne abana 50 so 19 anyone 20 you never know you could be looking like configuration
I don't know mara I might be tired ngochira by then.
Okay,
because,
maybe
but at that time I need a sibling. You don't have no man. No, I just want to be here for a good time. If I want to jog, I'm still jogging. I don't want to live too long to a point where now in the bed then come. Do
you think
whether you can walk or not? I'm 23 and so now people must change how they do things because of you. I don't want to get there. Personally.
Get your place in any energy. I was about to ask you, do you think when I'm
yeah.
Damn.
Duh. I don't know 104. Jamburi na mwana na 80 probably because watu wakale bachibeba ili jamburi mwana wangu ndi mukekuru kekuru
watu wakale bachibeba ili na so you know ko the baby it's 17
yeah but I think feel like Jakari is west don't you think because people would get okay for example nadzura sona butsa koti yanuri at your age baba kuitani bigger things bambo no ba too independent like wakale botu I don't know but I feel like they hey ninga no remi ngaba chinga nani baba na 10 years experience yo show I'm just saying No, they advanced quicker. Like, think of it. No, I'm just saying, everything was faster back then.
Okay, and then you want to say anything, something about it?
Oh yeah, the one about poster. Do you see how fit she is?
When you won't post?
Someone on Twitter. You see how fit she is and whatever. I wonder, Uri, Vanaba best be inspired now.
Oh, no, busy.
You don't reach like Jingwin Choy. Chitonga Chitus Funa of the Jima.
I've been arguing in Antunam about these girls for no. Hey, I'm thick. I mean, why do people say I'm thick when they're fat? Don't you think there's a difference between the two?
What is thick? What is fat?
I feel like thick, I can say you're thick because you're definitely not thin. Ada, not so much example, I'm Mara dam to Muuru. Maran go imagine I'm to Muran and come one am divati. Adaru thick. Like, if love make it sense, like, you should just
Google thick then. What are I thinking? I don't think.
Not really Guma, like, just like being broke. No, it's not borrowing.
Hey, you don't have being broke. There's no. Remember never go to Jipa limit Mara. Uba thick. Cause I have some second. So she's just thicker than me, but she is thick.
Fat versus
the word
thick.
Is still.
No, strong babore neris na chede rudo fi broke. I will fear na chede denyana. Mara aba no nebo kwato.
Una broke, una poor.
Okay, so what is the main difference between both are used to describe a person's appearance, especially women's? Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, what? I seen the guys. Thick indicates women that are a bit plump and sexually attractive. Oh, problem K. Thick means you are sexually attractive. So I say about 600 pounds. If you mean channel, those ladies are thick. Those people are not thick, they are fat.
Also, only thick in India can be attractive. Mara fat whenever attracted to you, they are still attractive.
And then whereas fat refers to an overweight person. Upon the overweight is I saw this other TikTok. California. Hi, how are you? So I have my friend here. She says she wants to talk to you. She's very shy. And obviously, you're like, okay, maybe the friend is the same. That's why I was like, damn, this is fat. And then, oh, no, I'm cool. I'm cool. That's why, like, this guy knows the difference between thick and fat. What do you think is thick? And I'm there.
On me.
Nah, but in it, fat.
At the bim fat.
So, it's fine. And then, anyways, Ramathuba has been. But what crown you are?
Wait a minute. And those ones.
Oh, boy, we elected was a premier, this president Limpopo.
That's nice.
I was like,
Those ones great. The way I don't know stuff about politics, I was just like then I can't end up about nobody's lost to carry. That's this work will be one.
No, Baba MEC Health Limpopo. So in the Minister of Health Limpopo, technically. Ardo semeswa.
Izo.
Achasema.
Mapondo bebe makuani reno time.
Chava health is no. Mara we fara yote Limpopo zin. Nina buchanga manda. Like video wako hapa sweso. Nina buchanga manda. I was like, people are so happy. She's
she's elected.
Oh, she's the first female to be the premier of Limpopo. I mean, man, I was like, why? What to bashu man? Just because una video that was not trend and bashko sema na ori. Hey, aniko shuma. Hey, man, any vapanga manda. Niko visa churunzi charge. All those things that doesn't make you a great leader. Also. Stambornia konosema na kana nikona danda la kama twabangwe la ndini saliboni
labondi lipi.
I'm not saying really on until the kotamba uzune ngandre batoko praise there or bakono usem because I'm not saying
of which mara if rekosedza ngo manese alimpopo bakutodo semi wams.
I feel like manese ote okay pano una competition wangasite
bakutodo semi una zvino zvine the leader she's a leader, she speaks nicely utobidza meeting ningasipidze meeting muthu wakufa muthu utotosemiwa uri atakwa ite mushumo wake.
That's the thing also
someone people, needs to do it.
People assume usema jambari nyana ndinese so namo manese ahora Lipopo.
I think in child theory ubathu bamanese bashuma una
Yeah.
So you can't go to a hospital just like the topic Kingsley na
Now all I'm saying now episode 36. Hey, they were not as number.
just like that. Ungasiye na force nese rubashume. Abashume ngazigero zinamalodana zibashobhala zwaya. So you must give them
Yeah, the resources.
Which they don't have.
Imagine, so the ratio yabaradze to bashumi
Doesn't make sense.
doesn't make sense.
That I get. And atiko hana hauna resource and whatever and limpopo ndono yachiridzini and all that. What does that have to do with your attitude as a nurse? What does that have to do with you mutu akadito ngwarisa chibugu and you can't even smile?
No.
Uchijena gayezo.
Zvakava
Niba
tu
nokwadelo rauna chigero.
It's just like anywhere else. Nane paranga rich daraona ku reception kwa pana studio kuchikotuma
That's true.
resemekanya.
That is very true.
Mara havala tu ko judge ofi wo Phophi Ramathuba, she's good. Ngori ba semana because you know like una uthi yabona eba kushuma blend like the only thing chine angato firo ba bona kuchita ndo sema walazo uri anokuita mshumo anokuita mina and that's what that girl said also uri fumini mia ba kunora part unosvika 20 ngaduba like waneta emon nando neta ndikatomoni sema nozibona if episode ya jena ka 3 hours yeah this for review ka 2 hours uri ayi voto kutuma bana
bana frustration guys. Don't be under clinic ya blog easy busy. I think it was a random day. They are just grumpy. They are just mad. And I think this is what people need to do. Namswachi choose a career. Now ono yana kutodo a reception. If you're an introvert and you don't like people, don't come. Because it's going to irritate you. That thing needs passion. And there's not many manese ono dara it's just for the money because we want financial security. We are in. So there is a financial security. With those jobs, you need to go in. Not all of them. You need to go in with the heart. You need to go in.
Nishitobvula uri kwanamba tava Jackson. Nzatopedzobvula. Vhurani vuruku. Vhurani man. Also no line it's standing in that. So complain on a line. I mean, Maria, I get what she's just like.
Nane boba frustrated.
Net care bad happen.
This is going back to what we were talking about, guys. Remember last week, Uri, in whatever you do, just
omnibus.
Ndiko repeat ngori rono zviamba. Uri, in whatever you do, put your heart in it. Be the best at whatever you're doing. Atinga dori zvinonne mushumoni ndari ngori huna muthu ane hansedzi zvavudi kana hamfuni, so now I'm uncomfortable, now I'm frustrated. Go in and do what you are there to do. Itani zvone with a smile.
That
be
doesn't
happy.
make sense.
It's your job. You chose it. If you're not happy, leave. Are usina zvigero tuwani then.
Nechinenda kawana ndichori komlori usongo.
Yasikwatere chigero nasema muthu anokubeba.
Success yavala mtu ngazvine zvakuita ka social media.
Mara ini niko sides zvinena kubona ka social media. Ndidzi video
ndizvine vatu vakoamba. As a taru, just kind of 10. Just that, social media. I'm a social media guy. So whatever I see is based on that. And social media, and then it's what you win as no feel like, but the time because we're going to dilana what we're going to say about like. So Zambo no jail usemana lam to success. You ever do maybe who knows? There's never gonna come if you give them apparatus, all the equipment they need. You don't know what for doctor productive now.
Mara, if you can't do good, what makes you think that's the equipment?
If not gonna do if you get a podcast,
it's okay. I get what you're saying. Give you an example. Sometimes for example, if one of the said that strict, do you think you and I would have been where it is now? Let's be honest. If he was
if I was soft,
let's be honest. Habana mtu basema basema na baby. Zione video za mtu bakosema na why usafi why jamburu bwana principal ngori basema na. Sometimes that's what's needed. Ukutu
mtu anasema na. Rene we know abala mtu bahani ti. So neka watu bonoko ba defend ka social media. Bako beza ka usema na hawo abala mtu.
No badiva social media.
Exactly. So I
don't kamba watu barithembisa bane abadivi na zvubura matu babotsa. Mtu oedera kupasika chiponje ako type ako ngwalezela chako bore. And I'm just like sometimes that's what we need. Sometimes we need that person.
Yeah, I feel like
friendship. Uti wanola mtu mtiani wakona seta record straight. Naka relationship. Uti wanola mtiani abe mrenje pasi wobe yea. We can't have softies ruling the country.
Mara ndiko stand ati. Here's my last thing I'm gonna say on it. vasemana ndi zwone nane ro ḓi tou lwa same and that's why ndi so mara hani ni songo ntsemela uri atiko shuma ndi sina zwishumiswa. That's one thing tshine tinga ḓo tenda
vhala vhathu vha kha video vha tshi khou semiwa vha sa fhinduli vha ra una tshigero if vhupo tshi vha khou sameliwa zwithu zwine vha nga zwi change kare wa vha sa fhinduli vha ri mara ndo zama house na philisi
vha soko wenda kwa umula ndi uri huko sema no fe mini mtu line yesoko lafa ni ḓo ita mini life line lafa ni nga mina vhala vhathu mbo phopi tshi dawani huna vhathu vhabili.
Hey guys, okay, hey conversation got the duvalot. Hey conversation got the duvalot. You know I'm going to make an example. Arrive the phone and a phone if phone demand is one care abalani they do their job so well.
What
hey mara that is still not an excuse. That is still not an excuse. Una advocate anakoshuma kala ofemia Venda na anakoshuma kaya pano nione mwako wana 6,000 and mwako wana 20 doesn't mean I'm going to do my job less. When you applied you knew it was 6,000 and you went in. Why go in if you're not going to be happy doing it?
Because I need
that's my check. Because you need your ring abroad. So the entire company is going to collapse and stuff. For example,
oh yes, but
ShopRite yapangana niawana huko shuma mbili mara tili edzila dzasvika 10
tona ShopRite dzote
niko konongwana uri ndiko rimini ndisitu zvine huko tiyotoda mumwe muthu wali manager muno dina asemana because vhathu vaya hani off okay already hauna mishumo South Africa nane ndiyabvandisa face uri why usongotholiwa kare uko pfi vhathu vako shorter yes way off zvinosvika kana vana uko vesa busy avidzwa munga murawo a joiner naona line dzoda padzimbiri humwe hu empty na zvibona zvapetu kuti the muthu ananga toda semana
marizi ningaseme muthu if achikoro oya lunch wo right dzawedzo ndino ndinozvibona
mara my chat is management mara uko kaka management ngori nditi yodhiva uri uchiya mumwe lunch uko replace ndi management
mara ningasi hire mtu for 2 hours ya mumwe ya lunch
not uri for 2 hours ya mumwe mara can we have enough zvoitira uri sarine mushumoni you'll never find our reception desk empty. It doesn't happen.
Reception utodzura na mutu
zvinoteleni why usina mutu ari reception una mutu ndisvoti ngori mutu atiyoda ima alindera especially kashango line huko pfi unemployment is a big thing. Why am I seeing an empty till?
Here's the thing you know realize ngezore unemployment mean if I feel that was because malimobori you're gonna have these 3 shifts day yeah until yori zamuda kushima 666 no 24 hours divided by 3 eneza hours zinza dhiti wati zvamunhu doshuma zvino natuwa nashuma natuwa adamu zvamo ikote operate 24 hours ishop lawa niti mara problem if inini kola 20,000 for that 8 hours ya normal ya mshumo aba vhathu vararu avachadzi va 20,000 ti mara also vangasikate to 10,000 because now so vadoti visa 15 so now yanobva from 15 to from 20 to 45 ya vhathu vararu. Do you think mashopa adotenda izvozvo zvaso so lazvine shoprite idori ringana mara sacrifice 2 hours ya vhathu yo lunchini than urihire vhathu vanji ngotori hauna any employment rine riruze chelede. Remember those people are also in business so it doesn't make sense uri vatore vhathu vanji
and then you know what that means greediness. You just explained what greed. That's what you explained.
That's business though.
Mara zvino risongori what's this? Risongori shangalo shalo kumuva fine. Are risdova greed. Ini bonongari in the States jayde. Do you think this is how they operate?
I feel like okay States unela ntiori.
Abe States is tobe chana ambulance. No uzbona kama mvura ambulance chikanga chingapani.
Hey.
Yapano ti. Pano nendipfongari guys ndazvopfi muthu na muthu urani songo mujia ngore anything can happen nenjie because otherwise ndidoloba ndichepasi. I am telling you
there's a leadership crisis.
Yeah.
I want to comment on that. So una ambulance is already Limpopo. Like they bought about I think 40 something ambulance.
Okay.
But there's no driver. There are no drivers of those ambulances. So you call an ambulance, it takes 5 hours to come. So you see where the leadership
management. Okay. Yeah, ndikotenda. Yeah. Mara zvambori zvindilani ngori uya rengwa dza 40 zvambori obusina ambulance zvino hoda ambulance ukadoda ma driver. It's a process. Can't happen in the same
speaking
day.
Of ambulances ti nezvino nokamuri muthu afa. Umwe video ndakibona mulova on TikTok. So this guy wa ambulance we are kana vadzi content unogudorera ambulance zvino Cape Town there. Uri una muthu around there and afini una attack these zvawandine soko vana chifa call avakori uko driver uko mujia ati ila zove ku camera kwa koja wala mtu anga driver ubva shu usikachitandani but we document or how's nas badala chatsinina uko dia iniwa kule then it doesn't make sense and ngachishonga capture uko pera building zabu I'm pretty sure there's like one care na mini kaisoko mujia ninge Actually, the body has built kind of also the cover. I mean, I was like, there's no way.
The ambulance. I don't know why they call it emergency because now Uber is the faster. I don't know why it's emergency.
Exactly.
That thing is slow.
What they were now bumbless.
Remember the last year? Na ambulance black. Because the faster comes on to the speed of light. Because what? That's a priority. Because remember last year our helper by Sarah. Not your phone as on phone. Did you go story? Zisayera ni wideruri. Vashike owi wabora.
Wabora.
Nain osjiakai nimsadzi wangu uri usvike ntii. I remember he language to home divo kufuna vamwe ndava ndisi naine because I was just like guys
fanofara rikavade
vade vajene
vachiskadivarokona nirahamudi tuwa zvino hanana 2 minutes vamugidimedza vangamuwana
so ndozvivona izvi it was so irritating and the questions asked mutu akobleeda ini nikuvona maropa nikuvutswa dzimwe
wait they still ask questions
nikotamba ini they asked me her age. First of all, avala mtu wakupfova ati dibi age yavo ndikubudzisiwa upi. Oh, even worse. Ichisvika yosvika huna mtu muti. Yosvika nebo driver vada. I had to help out ubawara with blood. I am not as mshumo wanga izvo. Zvamburi ubiyanda site bunese na mindi opa maropa ati. So, hoda mtu muti. Ngona zvendi ntani kane. Uvangi nthabala mtu na murenje. She had to walk. She had to try and walk down. So I just think that the system in South Africa when it comes to that, it's so bad. It's really bad.
Yeah, that's why I overdraw Ramaphosa as a president first.
Cupcake.
Nah, ndara chigwena ti. Chikoripedza kechifuti. Achitopedza. Achitutoma. Chikadwana mimi.
Man, with the whole DA thing and whatever. As Africans I was
actually thinking, what if that whole thing is a trap? I'm talking about a trap. Whatever Janaka coalition DAs, Now the DA is gonna try and find ways.
Visa. Ndobona ukula ku thread ngukumbula kula homwali wa step 1 DA is gonna form out of the ANC 2 udowani udovusiwa the pala thingy vabvisiwa hajena yeah I think so.
I feel like we're following a blueprint now worry
unless already hubone vanokunya udribula hava you never know you never know what people have.
I don't think they vanga dribula page.
Don't you think the ANC is smart enough?
Nah, not at all.
Oh damn.
But what was smart, I'm sure.
Man, ndivona kuti vana age ne muthu aguma kayorula kuti mzimu roita urulwa ngavakala zvikotomubora.
Don't you think
we can't have all avula kuti ndivaulwane?
Because at first why pension is 65 mara paramendeni madvaja na
70. Ningorula nina 400 nisichapona. Nichikumedza kuitwa speech.
And vakumedza vala vathu vote.
Ndimulwane marambo neta vala muthu vationwa tie by then nga 9. I'm sure about the rub and stuff. The battle one. But my rabu milenje vakunoida.
Ndivona diva mlecheka.
Hapo sakani So I don't know, man. I don't know. Yo.
No, yes,
politics mara is just something else. That's a conversation irgasi ipenze.
Yeah, oh, chigwena chacho chonominate as a president nacho. That was so funny and nice. Juju.
Oh.
Yeah,
really?
oh now we get 44 votes.
44. Kangan.
Go for 100. Hasna MKT. So 400 minus MK and then I want 44. One am 286 I think.
Which is not bad.
For Juju.
44.
No, from Twana actually win.
From Tojano for vibes.
Just go nominate you wako nominate me. Chare your Lord, I accept. Nara kecho Juju. She go practice around next year, next 5 years. That's good. I accept ya hukuma zio. Like
a good 8 years.
Yeah.
It's going to take time to get. We need to be patient with it. It's not the way it is.
A podcast to ask our president.
Yeah.
That's straight. So, anyways, I wanted to ask you, T, have you ever been in a company, what I've seen in post, there's a lot of vendor people there. T, it's a vendor company. So, do you think vendors are tribalist? As people say.
And we don't have a lot of vendor people, eh? Five.
Or you only post,
I think
vendor people. There
goes
the tribalism. You only post vendor people.
No.
What on radio in the The CEO, the other guy,
project manager.
Shambur vendor. Blind
positions maybe runena ka company dzimwe vaone vavenda varenda and zvinga rivi vavenda vanyimara as I think the 5 if not less no yeah
ni vangana
5 Yeah, I know. Officini phezing ngomu we're more than 30.
Nganda.
They work from home and whatever. At this bangana, there's drivers there, whatever. Man and Kwamburi, Banera writers to Zotera every day. Venda Kateti, Havana Venda 5, that's not a lot.
Because
Venda very easy with the weather no corridor and no postana. Bango Trabe have a bonus to Fanan and the Ringa Square. That's go Thomas go post a Muzuru now, no quite why you DVD. Why you DVD line? You know, so with those ones, I know they are my own boys. Passing quarter and go right around there, you know. I think that's what matters as well. But then what they're like, we are fine.
Yeah. So, because no one pavete. These are the student society of a Venda, Fumeta Stoma. They chill out, right? When I have a Venda, just one song was Ryan, na culture. And then this other time on TikTok, I saw NMU, they also have the same thing now. We talk group kwa Venda. This other guy from Sifako also, Medunza. Oh, I'm funny. I wanna start a thing now, yeah. Under the same thing, so not okay, nice. But I will not fit the engine. I'm like, okay, Zuko. And then there's other lecturer, Wanga. That guy, she wanted to charge. I think it's just the 5 of us. Okay, so I'm going to go drop on her. Or 5. Ready. So yeah, there's 5 of us.
Guys, to
so there's 5 of us. Mostly Panda. Because Rana, okay, I'm trying to we just sit there in front. And then the guy named Zimbabwe. And he knows River Venda, probably because Madzina, so you guys are so tribalist, you never sit anywhere, you never sit with any guys, we stand out because River Venda. Makwani mabuni no drum rao. Ngachawa naone magula bona mina.
Wendi kuna na makua neti ntungo jana na makua. Mara ndachis bona River Venda baso.
Yeah, so I was like,
but you guys are though
tribalist.
Don't you think? Think about it.
Ne, I may not be. Okay, I'm not tribalist. One thing you know. Wait on.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Not even that is one. I think it's true.
Because the thing is, at being actually network and like I get it, it's important. In Jamshumoni, there's gonna be people of different cultures. I mean,
you do have them. You do have friends.
Mara, don't you think?
Hey, our class in young.
Don't you think society has instilled this thing in our minds, Yuri? We are not worth it. We are just Venda. We are not as big as other cultures. Also. So we try to
people disregard us as Venda people.
Yeah, so we try to form like an alliance as a defense mechanism. Because Nenda just one, like you're saying, or your lecturer said that. My lecturer once told me because Nenda just Rapan, and phones Rapan, and that's a Nanda or old Zurani. My seat was always my seat. Marriages were not different, but I didn't have a single Venda friend in my squad. I had Tonga, Zulu, Social Dimini.
Social una watu wote.
Botswana Namungo wa over Begersford. I didn't have a single Venda person in my squad of friends. You know, we're still friends. Sekunda, Bushback Rich. You know, I didn't. Mara Klasini. You would see Venda girls, and then the phone about Divana Zina. Then there's Mangana follow Facebook. Oh, we don't know Klasini. But they're very. I think, I don't know, we walk around being apologetic. It's like, because you have Venda, you can't say much. Because you have Venda, you are small. Because you have Venda, you shouldn't, you know, you are not fancy.
Opposite is the case, Karina. Like we are there.
Because no one knows there. So they always, they don't raise their hands. They're very, very collected. I'm just like, that can never be me. We are not as confident. So that is why Ukadivana, you don't look Venda. That thing is annoying.
English and then you Zulu, you come to us. Venda.
Continue.
Like as I was saying,
I
like
love it. Continue.
Like I'm like, hey, Muna. I'm just one person and I'm still rooting for Venda. Which already they've been saying what they wanna be a standalone country. I mean, I still feel like na Venda we can be that.
Remember, we have everything we need.
Exactly what I'm saying.
We do.
Like Rado Kipa, Rado Skara Rapala ni figure. standani na mavuri ifasa utoda ngama kata ratomana livubu na livubu ifasa funi no livubu ro michero nyana so do rubeledza kusara rivenda
ava imerita ve shumiri vathu ve rimbe vari rimbe ko vakata na wari na mushumo navo
yeah I feel like yeah raba venda
wori kuzi kubvena mamwe makono amba chivenda kuzi kudadza TikTok
so this other guy is like hey so chamba ini
and the cheesy chone just like yo my boy shut up
I've heard people saying oh why do you guys do this podcast in Venda yeah, can you anything I'm like
don't know budziwa nani
I'm like I'm trying to do this for my people not you guys
that is when a topic is should zichiva dzidzavi
Venda related
because who's going to talk about Venda music if we don't
exactly no enough for to akambangari papirikueta mini hey Fistos hey Rootkid
so zviko toitwa ngarine
our platform
people need to understand we're doing it for Venda
exactly so I was like Zambori blackout already yeah ba podcast there's no you know huraita TV yavana radio zamari chatodza metro na mini vamwe podcast dzazikwarwa na Venda ratomuita we have competition amongst ourselves ra collaborate all those things
Venda literally has everything bro
literally
and the money too
bena chipise ndicha Venda makwaya no adoto asumba madiasho so yeah such things do we continue kana record ka episode kambo riri ati divi
idoroitwa
rikate kana riteni event indafu
ndikunyanga ya bathroom so it's goodbye
done goodbye ndodova then kwa Venda guys so this is an episode in yakoguma nepa cause then kwa Venda but then next week you're gonna get something chinochoshutwa zvino so you're not gonna have anything chinocha ko va related nantu naso zva the previous week cause reshoota before so yeah mara actually before that I was trying to get someone and they would help stand in for a co-host then I got this other girl she was like yeah I'm keen I mean so rdamazo Phophi ndode
People approve and mtu ara kudo replace ne mtu ara kwenye ungana uti approve
don't spend any break it's fine let's keep it as a secret until I don't spend any
surprise but it was a surprise
yeah see? So guys this is where we end today and yeah I'll see you next week mpochione na musi futhi mkona chione maginya one nomfako padzi view dzawe ngamanese miya ndinese and then ufinyiwe mtu kana mswabe
paragon
nasibusiso uone sibusiso sithole so yeah we gone
sibusiso dlomo
maba kezo dlomo nawunyaka dlomo so bye guys sorry it had to end like this mara we have better content coming next week hey
yeta kata nenda kuri yokata
yokata
oh great
hey